Anna from All DIY Crafts, and today I'm going to be making some resin coasters with dried flowers in it. I'm using art resin, and I'm going to be mixing it here. Each of these takes about 100 ml of resin, so I'm going to go ahead and get that mixed in our cup, and then we'll go ahead and get started. I'm just going to play music because I have to put on a respirator and gloves, and that way you can just kind of watch and see how it goes. So these I let sit just long enough. They've actually been sitting a couple hours and they're pretty set, but what I wanted to do is, first of all, I didn't want to fill it too full, but I also want to make sure that the flowers didn't shift from where I set everything. So what I'm going to do now is put on my respirator, and then I'm going to go ahead and get our resin mixed, and then I'm going to pour it on. Okay, and we're back and we're ready to unmold. these turned out fairly good. I actually have these flowers for probably, I bought them from Amazon I think a year ago, and I just kind of kept them in a book. So I'm glad to know that they still stayed pretty fresh and still stayed pretty good to do this project. Next time I buy flowers like this, though, I'm probably going to use them fairly quickly just because they get banged around when they're in my office in a box. So I'm glad we did this and it came out really well. The next one I want to do is I kind of want to put maybe some alcohol ink or something in the back. So if there is a lip here, what you can do is I would sand this down. There's like a little piece here that I can cut off. I would sand it down and then I would dome it, meaning I would pour a little bit of acrylic here and just kind of let it flow down a little bit just to even out a little bit here. This one is fine. This one I don't even feel any kind of a lip. So these are our coasters with dried flowers in them, and I hope you enjoyed this project, and we'll see you again in a few days.